Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And you got your girl in the flesh, So in today's video, I got a Juicy Couture haul, and I got friend mail from You Changed Your Hair Again, and I got another package. So let's start out with the other package, as you guys can see. Oh, and this is what your girl is carrying today, and as you can see, she packed. So I might do a what's in your bag. It's okay. And I got some new Tic Tacs that I will be sending out in my friend mail. So let's get into this package. I already cut the top off. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. This is called Ruben Red. So hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. And as you can see, it's a Michael Kors. Oh, look at that. Oh, and this is a leather. Let's see. Oh, okay, so you push it down like this, and then it opens. Oh, look at this. This is large chain shoulder leather, Ruben Red. This is the original price here. Oh wow, it's so cute. Oh, look at this. Can you guys see? It has a zipper here and 2 slots. And it also has this little front slip pocket. Oh, it's so cute. And then the chain is pretty sturdy back here. Oh, it has a snap in the back. And this is pebble grain. This is supposed to be leather. This is the side view. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the chain. Okay, I'm gonna insert some footage of me, of the closer up of the inside. So here it is. So cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Your girl is hot today. I got my fan on, so I hope y'all can hear me. Okay, so here's the Juicy. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cute. This is called the Good Sport Crossbody. Okay, I've had this for a while. I've been traveling a lot. I've been doing a lot of stuff, so I've been quite busy. So, let me show you guys. It's called Preppy Pink Juicy. Oh, it's cute. Get the front. It has a pocket in the back, and it has this top pocket. Oh, this is so cute. This is with the inside, and then here's the bottom, and it has a black crossbody. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's cute. Oh my, they almost look the same color, huh? Oh, look at that. Cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's see. this, you guys. This is funny. What is this called? Hot Hot. I got a 3X. I wasn't sure how these sizes run. But look at this. It's kind of cute. They gonna talk about me. They always talk about me and my onesies. It's like, okay, so I'll have to try. And then I got this. Oh, that was a fake coupon I found. And this kind of look like undies. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is the pants. Oh my God, these are kind of huge. I got this, this is called Lilac Sky Check. That's a cute name, Lilac Sky Check. Look at the purple. Oh, they kind of, I don't know. I have to try them on and see what they look like. But it's got the juicy strip down the side. They feel like pajamas. Nice cotton. Yeah. Okay, so I got those. You know, junk mail. Look at these, you guys. What am I thinking? All over floral. I got these from JCPenney's. So these are like, what's that? Oh, look at the bottom. I'm cracking up. They're real bright and floral. Oh, I'm missing a piece. Because you know I ordered the top to the purple. So the jacket to the floral. Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. It's kind of cute though. Don't be laughing at your girl. If you see your girl a mile away, you know it's me because. And this looks like it's cropped. It has a pocket. What's this? Terry cloth. That's the word I'm looking for. Terry cloth. Floral all over. Yeah, this is the back. And it's got the little juicy crown here. So that's that. Okay, here's the front now. Let me try to move some of this stuff. Out the way. And then this. Hi Robin, I hope you accept this token as a gratitude for all the support you have been to my channel. Love, Tina. Oh, look at that, cute. My YouTube sisters know they got some great penmanship. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh my Lord. Oh, this is the D-Boss logo black. Ah, look at this. Oh, it's got a pocket here. Oh, look at this. Look, my glasses are fogging up. Oh my goodness. It's got two side pockets. Thank you. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Tina. Oh, look at this, you guys. Ah! Oh, this matches my bag and my sweetie. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a back pocket here. Ah, thank you. Oh my God, look at this. I hope I'm recording. I'm just not gonna mess with the camera. Oh my goodness. Thank you, girl. Ah, yes. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, ah, and I got the off the chain heart coin case. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, breast cancer awareness socks. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Be brave, stay strong. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh, it's a nice little notepad. Oh, look at this, you guys. It's so cute. Oh, and I got a purple pen. Oh my goodness, and it has a pearl on there. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the little top. You know, my nails are in bad shape today, y'all. I've just been... Canvas pouch from Target. Oh, it matches. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, thank you. Thank you, thank you so much. I'm so humbly grateful. Thank you so much for this. And this for you guys so you can see what this looks like.
Oh, it's a gold.
Gold. Let's see. I'm sure you guys can think of plenty of brands that this may look like. This is cute. It's real bright gold with a little leather here. And then this pushes down and it has micro cores right here. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is really cute. So, yeah, and I think that this will match my bold Coach, my bold, what is it, bold pink Coach accessories. So yeah, this is the first time I've had like a bag like this in this style. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see ya soon. Peace out.